Hello guys, how to fix if iPhone showing no service on your iPhone? If you are also facing such issue, no service visible on your screen, then go to first settings, go to settings, cellular and cellular data option, and here check data mode, voice and data, and it will as per your SIM requirement 5G data mode. It should be a standard mode data on 5G. Thereafter, enable cellular data and again go to cellular data option and data roaming. Enable this feature. If you are in roaming, then enable roaming data option. Again, go to general settings and go to software update. Tap on it and update your iOS available update. Install on your iPhone. The next workaround is reset network settings. Again, go to general settings, scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and choose reset network settings.